Welcome to today's recipe, which is a one pot wonder. You're going to find all of the ingredients listed in my One Pot Wonder Ninja Foodi cookbook, and I'm sure you're going to find it simple and easy to follow. All of these recipes are super easy to create. One Pot Wonders is about making amazing food in one pot that uses several of the functions and different methods to get the most out of your Ninja Foodi. And of course, with the least effort possible. What I love about all of these recipes is that they are inclusive. And this means that you won't need to be cooking your rice elsewhere or putting your hob on to cook your vegetables. These truly are full meals made in your Ninja Foodi. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well if you haven't already. Let's get into today's One Pot Wonder, and I hope you really enjoy this. To begin making my steam meal, I'm going to add in some stock into the bottom here. I've got 700 millilitres. And into that, I'm going to be putting my pasta. I'm using some spaghetti. So I'm just going to break that in half. I know some people hate it when I do this, but I'm going to just then lay that in and crisscross that on the bottom. So that is enough stock there to easily cook that pasta. Now I can lower my rack over the top. I've just put a little bit of parchment on there just to stop my chicken from sticking. This really is a nice, easy dinner. You could easily do this for sort of 4 people. I'm just doing it for 2 this evening. And I've got 2 chicken breasts here. Oh, I've got a little bit of chicken there. That's just gone amiss. And inside my chicken, I have put some slices of chorizo and also some lovely grated mozzarella as well. That looks delicious. And I haven't added anything else to my chicken, so I just want to season that. So a little bit of salt and some black pepper. You can use any stock, by the way, in the bottom. I've just chosen to use some chicken stock, but use whatever you want. And then I would like a little bit of oregano on my chicken as well. I think that will be really nice. And I'm also going to sprinkle over a little bit of paprika as well. You can add any other spices or herbs to these that you enjoy. I'm going to be cooking this on steam meals tonight. Now when you're steaming, it doesn't matter what the pressure valve is doing. That can be open or closed, so just leave that. Don't need that at all for this type of recipe. 200 and just 9 minutes. The 9 minutes are up, so let's have a little look inside. Oh, nice. We've got a nice little crispy coating on the top of the chicken, which is great. Always surprises me with steam meals how, you know, with steam, we're still getting that lovely colour. Chorizo also nice and crispy on the edges. I'm just going to use my thermometer now to check the chicken. So let's get that in a thick part of the chicken. Okay, I've checked it in a few different places. I actually think we are just cooked. I think that 9 minutes was absolutely perfect. Now, obviously, this is going to vary because it's going to depend on the thickness of your chicken breast. So do exactly what I am doing. Check it, use a thermometer and make sure it's cooked. Obviously, I don't want anybody getting food poisoning from their chicken. I've lifted the chicken out and let's just have a quick check on our pasta and our spaghetti. Just giving that a little move around in the liquid. Just going to check a piece in a second. I'm just kind of moving it around just really to separate any pieces that have become a little bit stuck together. I'm pretty sure if the chicken's cooked, then I'm pretty sure that this is going to be cooked as well. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to drain it and then I'm going to leave it a little bit of the cooking liquid in there and then I'm going to create a sauce. Now, of course, you could have put in here tinned tomatoes, a pasta sauce, you know, there's loads of different options. A creamy, cheesy sauce would have been lovely with this. But I'm kind of just showing you a basic way of doing it. And that way you can add what you like to it. Okay, so that is drained, but I have left a small amount of the liquid in there still because it's got loads of flavour. It's got that stock that we cooked the pasta in, and now we can just add in our ingredients to make a really nice simple sauce. The first thing that I'm adding is cream cheese and then some sun-dried tomato pesto. Let's add a couple of those in. You can add as much or as little as you like. This is just an example of an easy way to make a pasta. And all I'm going to do now is just simply stir this through. It's going to make it super creamy. And I believe dinner is ready to be served. So let's serve up some of our pasta on the plate. And now we can top that with our gorgeous, juicy chicken breast. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, I mustn't forget, I was going to put a little bit of parsley over it as well. Just for a little bit of green. There you go. Absolutely delicious. Look at that chicken. Tell you what, let's cut into it. Let's dive into this chicken. Oh yes. Love a steam meal. All made in one pot, which is just brilliant, isn't it? Look at that. We've got that oozy mozzarella in there. And you can see that that chicken is moist and delicious. I hope you give the recipe a go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a like and please do subscribe to my channel as well.